Anong ibig sabihin kung waitlisted ka sa program na pinili mo? Pag-usapan natin yan. Para mas visual, gamitan natin ng props. Okay? So, kunyari, ito lahat yung mga nag-take ng college entrance test. And here, you have yung iba-ibang degree program na pinagpilian nila. Once you take the test, merong mga tao na makakapasa talaga. At depende rin doon sa course kung ilan yung tinitake nilang students per year. At pag puno na sila, doon na nagsisimula pumila, kumbaga, yung mga waitlisted. If pinili mo yung degree program na yon at pumasa ka doon sa requirements, pumasa ka rin doon sa number ng mga waitlisted na students para sa program na yon, you would be waitlisted under that program. Bawat degree program, yung mga nakapila ding waitlisted. At kung napuno na yung number ng mga nakakuha ng slots, waitlisted, at kung dun sa university, gaya ng UP may DPWAS or degree program with available slots, ang ibig sabihin nun is you would be right here. Pero you're right outside the line pagdating sa waitlisted na applicants. This is purely by chance pero si Voldemort yung magre-represent ng mga magpapareconsider. Now, kung pasok ang UPG mo, you would be, sabihin natin, a little bit farther away pa. Now, how does this entire thing work? Kaya may mga waitlisted students at DPWAS students ay dahil may mga admitted or may mga pasok sa slots na students na hindi naman tutuloy doon sa college or university na yon. Si Cedric ay nag-decide na mag-aral abroad. So, hindi niya kinuha yung slot na yon. That leaves room for someone sa waitlist. Siya yung kukuha ng slot na yon. Now, kung dito sa degree program na ito, kung mas marami yung hindi kinuha yung slot kaysa doon sa nasa waitlist, this person could be admitted into the program. Priority siya kasi pinili niya naman yung degree program na yon. And again, parang right outside the door na siya. And then, dahil meron pang remaining na 2 slots here, may posibilidad na yung DPWAS ay makapasok din dun sa program na yon if they choose it. Kung naubos na yung mga DPWAS dyan at meron pa rin available, and you have someone na nagpapareconsider, they could eventually get that last slot there. Now, this right here is an oversimplification, but I'm hoping kahit papaano medyo naging mas klaro itong bagay nito sa inyo. And it encourages you to stay on top of things, lalo na kung waitlisted kayo or DPWAS kayo, or gusto nyo magpa-reconsider. And dadagdag ko na rin na this is a great time for you to explore your other options, look at other colleges and universities na open pa ang admissions process while you're waiting for all of this to be sorted out. Okay? I hope that helps.